Philippines Bowlers, Manzano, Robiscal, Carbonel, Santiago, and Nawa. Para sa taga sa 5 AM Cup, Peraltico, Bernabe, Rivera, Aquino, and Villanueva.
Bilya tema yata eh.
Ako, mali lang po ako ng bata.
Oo, running down.
Yan, pare.
Running time. 5 minutes lang. Running time pa.
Robiscal, pasok Carbonel sa gitna, points by Carbonel. Villanueva. Still by
Nakadali pa rin.
Robiscal to Manzano to Robiscal looking to estimate pass to Carbonel, pass to Dawang full of jumper, 2 points by Dawang. This number 6, no good, rebound by Dawang to Manzano to Robiscal, no good.
Lep, lalim, lep.
Rebound with jersey number 12, pass to jersey number 19, sa gilid, no good. Rebound by Villanueva to jersey number 20.
Lumayo.
Manzano fake, pass to Robiscal looking to estimate, pass to Manzano. Out of bounds, safe ball. Dawang for the inbound, looking to estimate, pass to Santiago full of jumper, no good. Out of bounds, safe ball. Jersey number 19 for the inbound, pass to Villanueva. Good tackle by Aquino. Manzano to Carbonel umatake, 2 points by Carbonel. Bernabe to Villanueva to Bernabe to Villanueva, still by Robiscal to Manzano, still by Villanueva.
Masyado mabilis. Naiiwan yung camera.
No more. Rebound number 12, 2 points by jersey number 12. Manzano to Carbonel na naman. Denied by Aquino. Aquino on the ball. Aquino dribble the ball. Aquino to Bernabe to Villanueva, no good. Rebound by Peraltico to Villanueva, Manzano, no good. Rebound by Santiago to Dawang to Manzano to Carbonel, basket time.
Rivera! Tas kamay! Kunin mo yung bola, dalawang kamay!
Ball shot para kay Carbonel.
Nakakata ito kay Bonsi. Pagkat ng sigo to.
Sablay ang ball shot, out of bounds, 5 a.m. class ball. Biliatan. Biliatan to Teraldigo. Teraldigo to Berbe. Berbe to rebound by Manzano. Manzano to Dawa. Dawa from Skal. Misconnection. Out of bounds.
Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang.
Biliatan. Biliatan may outang bola. Isilvay Santiago. Jersey number 3, illegal na sa ban, save ball. Cardinal for the inbound pass to Manzano. Manzano setting away. Manzano to Santiago. Santiago to Bawang. Bawang Philip Jabon no good. Rebound to Rivera. Pass to Teraldigo. Teraldigo nagmamadali. Pass to Villatema. Villatema no good. Rebound by Sawang.
Nice, okay lang, okay lang.
Jersey number 19, illegal defense, Lubis, Ballers ball. Manzano. Manzano on the ball, pass to Santiago. Urban, save ball. Bawang for the inbound, looking for his teammate, pass to Santiago. Santiago to Gabriel. Still by Villatema. Villatema nagmamadalit. No good. Rebound by Ramiscal. Ramiscal into the titira po sa Ramiscal. No good.
Nice ball, time out.
Time out. 5 a.m. class.
Ala, pag ganyan.
Oras natin 5 minutes and 27 seconds to play. Villatema. Villatema may akong bara. Villatema pinasa sa gilid. Nugod, rebound by Rivera. Rivera, 2-1. Manzano. Manzano may akong bara. Manzano sa gitna. 2 points by Manzano. Aquino. Aquino sa Villatema. Villatema looking for his teammate. Pass to Bergeron, no good. Ramiscal. Ramiscal to Manzano. Manzano naman. Pinasa sa ilalim. Urban, save ball. Ramiscal to Santiago. Pass to Manzano. Manzano sa 3. 2.
Tapo ka.
Villatema. Villatema may akong bola. Villatema setting away. Villatema to Berno pa din. Berno pa din. No good. Urban, save ball. Sabrat. Villatema, Gonzales.
Aquino.
Sabrat. Barbanilin.
Rabanilio.
Aquino out. Brabanillo. Brabanillo traveling violation.
At ginawa mo limahan.
Ramiscal to Manzano. To Santiago. Santiago sa gilid. Nagod. Rebound by
Rabanilio.
Brabanillo. Brabanillo to
Teraldigo.
Teraldigo. Teraldigo to Bernabe. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Teraldigo sa 3. No good. Rebound by Barbarnillo. Bravanilio for the inbound.
Agaw.
Still by Manzano, 2 points. Bravanilio, tawag ng ating referee. Jersey number 48, pushing foul, Simbo. Bravanilio for the inbound. Juan Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Bravanilio. Bravanilio on the ball.
Siya, ikaw mag-uno. Kunin mo yung bola.
Arbel Simbo.
Ako dito ah. Dito ah.
Last 3 minutes and 6 seconds to play.
Balong, huwag masyado mabilis. Naiiwan yung camera.
Ramiscal to Manzano to Santiago. Santiago to Carbonell. Carbonell to Arban 5 AM club ball. Geraldico may ako ng bola. Geraldico pumilit. Good for 2-5. Verde. Manzano to Ramiscal sa 3. Geraldico may ako ng bola. Geraldico wants to field, is still by Ramiscal, 3v1 situation. Santiago, 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Gonzalez, pass to Geraldico, pass to Verde. Verde sa Gillette, no good. Rebound by Carbonell. Carbonell, derecho, denied by Geraldico. Rebound by Bravanilio. Bravanilio derecho, no good.
Siya. Siya.
Jersey number 6, pushing foul, Simbo. Geraldico out. Katakutan in. Manzano to Santiago. Santiago no good. Rebound by Carbonell. Rebound by Manzano. Who's Balrog? Penalty situation. First draw para kay Manzano. Second draw ni Manzano. Last 1 minute 25 seconds to play. Verde is still by Santiago. Santiago looking for his teammate. Pass to Dawang. Dawang to Carbonell. Carbonell to Ramiscal. Ramiscal wide open 3 points.
Paulan na.
Go, tumigil ka.
Oras natin. Last 1 minute to play.
Taktak mo.
Ramiscal, libre. Ilalagay na ba yan sa 3? 2 points by Ramiscal.
Nahiya pa ako.
Katakutan to Verde. Verde back to Katakutan. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Verde sa bullet. No good. Rebound by Dawang. Dawang bola. Dawang. Di dire-diretso ba si Dawang? No good. Rebound. Good. Ramiscal, wide open, 3 points. Last 15 seconds to play. Kasakutan sila sa ilalim.
Alin?
Last shot, last shot.
Dawa.
Sana pinatay.
Dawa to Mansano. Mansano Ramiscal, no good. Back to the bullpen. Katakutan to Gonzales. Gonzales sa gilid, no good. Rebound by Bernabé. Pass to Katakutan. Katakutan to gilid, to Scarlett. Jersey number 19, hold the symbol. Gonzales sa stress, no good. Rebound ni Katakutan, pinasa sa ilalim. Jersey number 24, illegal dispense, 2 shots.
Napilito nun.
Hensyo.
Yung kwento par.
Hensyo.
Sebelah yang first round ni Brobanillo.
Probanillo pala. Ba't yun nasa likod ano?
Sebelah kanan ang pala rebound by Valdez. Pass to Cortado to Nimenso. Pass to Cortado, pass to Dilmenso. Dilmenso sulit niya po nugod. Rebound by Rabanillo. Pass to Katakutan. Pass to Gonzales sa gilid. Gonzales, nugod pa rin. Rebound by Dilmenso. Dilmenso nagmamadali. Out of bounds. Yellow ball. Katakutan. Rebound by Nimenso. Domingo, pulot number, no good. Rebound ni Katakutan. Katakutan to Rabanillo, no good. Out of bounds, safe ball.
Foul ba? Foul. Hindi ba?
Transfer ba ang bola? Transfer na patawan sa right wing pan, no good. Nakuha ni Cortado. Cortado, nagmamadali si Cortado. Basket time!
Meron daw. Sino yung number 1 sa kanila? Dilaw.
First round para kay Cortado.
Jack Hamilton.
Sablay, rebound dino. Out of bounds, yellow ball.
Isa, dalawa. Cortado.
Traveling violation.
Nilakad ang bola.
Valdez to Cortado. Cortado na ang sa 3. No good. Katakutan. Katakutan may hawak ng bola. Katakutan to Bernabe. Bernabe sa gilid. No good. Rebound by Katakutan. Katakutan sa Tingablay. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales. Three. Cortado. Cortado to Domingo Tonimento to Cortado to Polencio. Polencio pumilit sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by Valdez. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 1. Illegal defense. Save ball. Valdez. Still by
Rabanillo. Rabanillo.
Geraldo. Geraldo to Gonzales sa gilid na naman. No good. Rebound by Nico pass to Cortado. Cortado nagbamadala yung pass to Nimenso. Nimenso pulit na ball. No good. Rebound by Valdez. 2 points by Valdez. Katakutan. Katakutan may hawak ng bola. Katakutan sa relay. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales to Bernabe. Bernabe pull up jumper. 2 points. Cortado. Cortado to the Menso. Katakutan. Pass to Bernabe. Good ball rep. Jersey number 19. Illegal is a man. 2 shots.
Domingo siya, ano?
Score natin 37-15 favor of the Scholars. Rabanilla. Lazaro in. Pasok ang first round ni Bernabe. Setelah yang pengalaman dari Bang Dino, nakuha ni Polencio. Polencio may hawak ng bola. Polencio to Cortado. Cortado! No good. Rebound by Nimenso. Nimenso pumilat. Jersey number 25, illegal defense, 2 shots.
Foul. 25 ba? Sa may dito.
First throw para kay Nimenso.
Mabiskal, tumir na press.
Una. Hindi. Sabi nga. Ulodo ko.
Pasok ang pangalawa ni Nimenso. Katakutan to Gonzales. Gonzales! No good. Rebound by Polencio. Polencio to Cortado. To Domingo. Domingo! Out of bounds. Geraldo. Katakutan. Katakutan may hawak ng bola. Katakutan looking for his teammate. Katakutan to Geraldo. Geraldo to Bernabe.
Lazaro.
Lazaro. Points by Lazaro. Cortado. Cortado to the Menso. No good.
Dito,
Katakutan. Katakutan may hawak ng bola. Katakutan to Gonzales to Lazaro sa gilid. No good. Rebound by Polencio. Polencio. to Garzado. Garzado to Domingo. Domingo bukan pipilet. No good. Rebound by Fulgencio. Jersey number 12 against basket count. Bonus shot.
Takutan.
Boss.
Sumasayaw pa sa Fulgencio. Fulgencio may ang bola. Good for Fulgencio. Villasana, pass to Rivera, Rivera, two point. Dava, Coutinho, Nemesso, no good. Rebound by Terrazzo, dinaipit tawang Asbel. Villasana may ang bola. Villasana tuwa kina, sudah sa gilid, no good. Rebound by Carbonell. Carbonell to Dawang. Dawang to Nemesso. Nemesso, foul, foul. Jersey number penalty. Supply first line in Nemesso. Pasokan pangalawa. Aquino for the inbound pass to Villasana. Villasana to Terrazzo. Terrazzo looking for his teammate. Pass to Lazaro. Lazaro sa gilid, 2 points. Dawang Rabiscal, wide open, sana. Nakuha ni Villasana, 2 points. Dawang, setting a play. Dawang for Brunel to Tino, no good. Rebound by Terrazzo. Terrazzo is pulled by Dawang, 3v1 situation. Carbonell, 2 points. The score na 47-24. Aquino to steal by Tino, libre. Villasana sa press. Lulus rebound dari Skal to Dawang. Dawang to Nemesso, 2 points by Nemesso. Aquino dinajui Dawang to Rivera full cover, no good. Rebound by Carbonell. Carbonell to Tino fight. Tino to Carbonell, umatake, 2 points. Terrazzo low shot, 2 points. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds to play. Dawang for Rabiscal to Dawang to Tino. Tino steadily. Tino to Dawang to Carbonell, still by Aquino, pass to Villasana. Villatema, buat didiretso si Villatema, nilay Pino. Last 54 seconds to play. Score 53-26. Carrasco to Rivera. Rivera nunggu. Rebound by Carbonell. Carbonell is still by Villatema. Villatema melakukan bola. Villatema itu Romskal. Romskal putar ke tres. Tinggi pa. 2 points by Romskal. Last 25 seconds. Villatema pinasa sa gilid. Last roll, 2 points. Last 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds to play.
Banding. Banding.
Santiago, may half ng bola. Santiago, pass to Domingo sa gitna. Back to ni Menso sa tres. No good. Rebound by Peralico. Peralico, napabilis. Peralico. Ito ko ang lawit. Pinagkasubot. Hindi good na. 2 points. Santiago. Santiago. Saling the base. Santiago, pass to Menso. Still by Villatema. Villatema, pull. Ang tawag ng ating referee, who's the rapid change number 1? 14 pala, 19. First off, Villatema. No good. Same as River Valdez. Pass to Santiago. Santiago.
Tira Riel.
Giving the ball Santiago. Ano ang tawagan ng ating referee? Foul. Foul just number 3. Same ball. Just number 3. Take personal foul. Ni Menso bigay ang pass to Santiago. To Domingo sa gitna. Ni Menso. No good. Arriba by Bernabé. Pass to Villatema. Villatema. Umatake. No good. Rebound ni Nino. Santiago. Santiago nagkamali. Santiago lumibag. 2 points.
Ayop ka Riel.
Villatema. Pass to Bernabé. Bernabé pass to. Still by Domingo. Domingo nagkamali. Domingo pass to Menso. Pass to Santiago. Santiago pull the shot. No good. Rebound by Santiago pa rin. Santiago. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Bernabé. Pass to Villatema. Villatema binigay nyo kay Aquino. Foul ang ganda ng referee. 24. Paul Henshaw. Pumasok ang pwesto ni Aquino. Pumasok din ang pangalawa. Paul Henshaw, dalawa ka na. Santiago. Yung pwesto ni may pasto na Menso. Pasto Domingo. Domingo, tira. No good. Rebound by Santiago. Santiago sa gilid. Santiago, pull up siya, no good. Rebound by ni Menso tumira. Pero shot, no good. Rebound by Bernabé. Villatema. 2 points. Santiago. Santiago na pinang kapusahan. Kala ko hindi ko sa backward. Santiago binigyan ako ni Mesa. To Domingo. To Valdez. 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 To ni Mesa. Ni Mesa fake. Na Mesa. Short. Bola ng Dilaw.
Uy, bola, bola.
Sab, pamangkin ka mo ah.
Geraldo. Pasto Villatema. Villatema Valdez Santiago. Backward ni Geraldo. 10 seconds to shoot. Aquino. 2 points by Aquino. Santiago with the inbound pass move. Valdez. Back to Santiago. Santiago setting the play. Santiago bring out the ball. Santiago pass move. Still by. Johnny ng bola. Again, ako na tayo. Tayo sa ating referee. Who is my red? Jersey number 25. Sabret. Pangkin. Alis ka muna. Villatema. Pass to Terraldigo. Starting the play. Terraldigo para mengharap ng bola. Bigyan ng Villatema sa Res. Villatema. No good. Rebound by Valdez. Pass to Cortado. Pass to Santiago sa Res. No good. Rebound by Valdez. Rebound by Santiago. Santiago may mahak ng bola. No good. Rebound by Barnabé. Villatema na mabilis. Villatema ba yung pass to Aquino? Aquino fake. Aquino, no good. Rebound by ni Mesa. Pass to Cortado. No good. Rebound by Paul Henshaw. Wangka. Dinugot. 2 points.
Banding.
Steven Valdez, no good. Valdez pa lang rebound. Valdez still by Terraldigo. Bernabe. Tumira, no good. Rebound by Paul Henshaw. Wangka. Traffic violation. Victor Ramat. Ay, Paul Henshaw. Time out. Back in the ball game. Yellow ball. Villatema with the ball on his hand. Villatema pass to Geraldo, pass to Bernabe, pass to Villatema to Aquino, flip shot, no good. Rebound by. Same ball lang tawag ng ating referee. Aquino pass to Geraldo sa 3 points by Geraldo. Cortado, steady the way. Cortado, pass to Tamos sa gitna. Bigay ko kay Santiago sa gilid. Santiago. No good. Rebound by Nelson. Nelson made a wing shot. No good. Rebound by Terraldigo. Pass to Aquino. Pass to Villatema. No good. Rebound by. Pass it down. Mustafa. Jersey number 14. Santiago.
Narel na to.
Isa pa. One shot. 16 na lang po ang hinahabol ng 5AM crowd. Pumasok ang bonus shot ni Aquino. Cortado. Jubin na po. Cortado. Pass to Santiago. Back to Cortado. To Nemeso. To Valdez. Dawang using the glass, 2 points. Terraldigo, setting the play. Terraldigo, pass to Villatema. Villanueva pass to Bernabe. Bernabe, no good. Rebound by Rebe, 2 points. Cortado. Cortado, pass to Santiago. Santiago, atake sa ilalim. Santiago, 2 points. Bernabe with the pass to Villanueva. Pass to Terraldo bonus shot, 2 points. Score natin 46 in favor of Olympics Brothers. Terraldo pass to Aquino. Aquino, 2 points by Aquino. Cortado to Dawang pass to Valdez pass to Cortado Terraldo pass to Aquino pass to Terraldo moving from streaming Terraldo pipisa yung shoot Terraldo premaya ng bola Terraldo fake Terraldo pass to Villanueva 10 seconds Villanueva no good rebound by Valdez binigay gini na kay Dawang no good rebound by Dawang pa rin Dawang no good rebound by Santiago 15 seconds to shoot Santiago to Cortado 2 points nailang libres ni Cortado Terraldo pernah ng bola kay Santiago Terraldo pass pa ba naman to Rivera to Dawang to Cortado foul who's for him just a referee who's a bad shot
Time out.
Masuk ang pwesto di Cortado pala wala ang sentro Rigan by Aquino to Bernabe pass to Villanueva pass to Bernabe to Rivera back to Bernabe 10 seconds to shoot Terraldo 5 seconds to shoot traveling violation ng referee Valdez out ni Menso in Cortado to the inbound pass to Manzana to Santiago to Manzano no good Aquino no good rebound by Rivera no good rebound by Cortado pass to Santiago Rabi ni violation
Sino kuya? Ang sabay mo?
Terraldo out
Basta sub ka mo, walang talangin kung sino.
Villanueva pass to Aquino no good rebound by Rabanillo premiado ng bola Rabanillo rebound by Rivera foul loose by Red just na Dawang face personal foul penalty
No count.
wala ang sentro Cortado. Cortado bigay kanina kay Santiago. Santiago, no good. Rebound by Villatema. Villatema para may out of bola. Villatema. Villatema, nahuli ni Cortado. Cortado. Cortado, big Cortado. Grabe violation ang labot ng ating referee. Last 15 seconds to play. Villatema.
Last shot, last shot.
10 seconds. Aquino, pwede mo shot. No good. Hindi mo pwede mo shot. 5 seconds. Manzano, bigay kayo ng Santiago. Santiago. Back to the ball game. Katakutan. Saring mo, katakutan guard by Tino. Katakutan. Pass to Perabet. Perabet na siya. 2 points. Tawa. Manzano. Manzano. Pass to Tino. Tino. For 3. No good. Arriba may katakutan. Katakutan. Nahuli ni Tawang. Tawang pass to Carbonell. No good. Rebound by Manzano. Manzano. No good. Glenn. Rebound by Carbonell. Carbonell pass to Tawang. Tawang. No good. Rebound by Katakutan. Katakutan. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales for 3. That's good. Katakutan mo sa iba, katakutan. Steve Pascal, pass to Tino. Tino, lumipad. 2 points by Tino. May tusino na ba sa Tino? Katakutan. Pass to Lazaro. Lazaro, pass to Gonzales. Gonzales, pass to no good. Arriba kay Carbonell. Pass to Tawang. Tawang. To Rabiscal. 2 points. Rabanillo. Rabanillo, pass to Katakutan. Katakutan, pass to Lazaro. Lazaro, fake. Lazaro, pumilit. Dinagay kanina. Lazaro, 2 points. Rabanillo. Rabanillo pa rin. Rabanillo, pass to Lazaro. Lazaro. Luis Flores. Ball. Manzano. Rabiscal sa gilid. 2 points. 3 points.
5? 5?
5 yun, 5.
Ngingiti pa siya eh. Dawang. Katakutan. Guard by Dawang. Lazaro. Tumira sa gilid. 2 points by Lazaro.
Nakakadami talaga.
Dawang. Dawang. Pass to Carbonell. Carbonell sa ilalim. Basket can. Goes for it. Jersey number 15. Rabanillo. Pumasok ang bola shot ni Carbonell.
79.
Katakutan. Guard by Tino. Katakutan para may hawak ng bola. Binigay ko nila kay Lazaro sa gilid. Lazaro fake. Lazaro primera. Nago. Dili pa pera Vizcaya. Vizcaya. Bakit na yan? Binigay ko nila. Say Manzano. Manzano nakalusot. Manzano. No good. Dili pa pera Vizcaya. Yellow ball.
ako kanina. Tamulmul.
Katakutan. Pasto. Gonzales. No good. Hindi may karga ibigay ng Pero Miskal. 2 points. Pastor Miskal. Papawi na 3. 3 points. Ganun pala mag-iyak naman sa mukha. Nakakabukol na press. Balabe, puro shot. Logo, dribble Pero Miskal. Uy, power rebound. Dawang. Pastor Miskal, 2 points. Gonzales, pass to Katakutan. Last 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Katakutan to Lazaro sa gilid to Gonzales to Katakutan to Lazaro. Lazaro, no good. Lima by Katakutan, Katakutan, no good. Lima by Carmel to Dawang. Pass to Manzano. Manzano to Dawang. To Tino. Tino tumuka to Nelson Gonzales. Nakakuha ni Manzano. 2 points by Manzano. Katakutan. Lumaya, 2 points. Dawang. Pass to Tino sa gilid. Same ball. Sabet. Terbelat Dawang in.
Oy, kung si Consiel, gumadang Kelly. Tingnan mo
Luis sa gilid naman. No good. Yellow ball.
pagka nanggigil yan.
Rabanila pass to Gonzales. To Ferrabe. No good. Rebound by Tino pass to Romiscal. Fake Romiscal. Tapos na lang gusto. Foul.
Tignan mo yung mga luma kong post, makikita mo dyan.
Who's Marit? 8. Pumasok ang pwesto.
Bunod.
Pumasok ang pangalawa. Castro, ni Romiscal. Wala. Rabanillo. Umatake. Rabanillo, tumukot. 2 points. Dawang. Tutawang. Mansa, 2 points. Katakutan. Paulo Miskal. Katakutan, Pastor Gonzales, nila sa gilid. Rabanillo, 2 points.
Galing nun ah. Side shot.
Santiago,
Pasok Riel!
Lopri, rebound by Dawang. Santiago, Nemenso, umatake. Nemenso, no good. Rebound by
Ni Menso.
Nemenso, pass to Dawang. No good. Rebound by Rivera. Pass to Katakutan. Pass to Lazaro Tumira, 2 points. Santiago.
Dinakdak na.
Santiago, 2 points.
Arang sirip.
Katakutan. Pasto Gonzales. Tula sa gilid. No good. Nariwan by Valdez. Valdez to Santiago. Santiago. Denied by Gonzales. Save ball. Down, 2 points. Katakutan. Katakutan. Pasto Gonzales to Lazaro. 10 seconds. Santiago, binaknak na! Yellow ball.
Jansen. Wala na oh. Banding.
Katakutan. Pasto Rabanilla. Rabanilla. No good. Rabanilla pa rin. Pasto Lazaro. Lazaro. No good. Rebound by Santiago. Idadok na kaya? Santiago. No good. Rebound by
Dead ball.
Santiago. 2 points by Santiago. Last.
Banding, diyan ka na lang. Jansen. Bigay mo, Arbe.